'Cause I'm loving in vacation. I'm on vacation. Because I'm loving application.
Happy this time you do my sin.
Danger stick. I'm gonna add it.
Wala naman ang palaro. Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang silang umaalis.
Hello guys,
Paano na
so
ako
we here.
maglalaro
Here's me,
nito?
I'm on
Danger stick.
You press here, and you get this stuff. And I'm using a fox one. And everyone's outfit is cool, and mine, I like it. Mom, Daddy, can you join me?
No.
Meron ka. Iba kasi.
Daddy, please join me. Daddy, I'm a wolf. I'm a fox. I'm a fox. Daddy, you can be a fox, anything. You can be a wolf, anything. Like a wolf, anything right now. Like a fox, anything. Join me now, please. I like this game. Mom, look at this
Nantok
game.
na ako. Kala kayo dyan. Nilak ko na naman na yung mga ano. Tapos pinatay ko. Tulog na ako.
Uy!
Ayaw ko na ako. Nantok na ako. Tulog na tayo pa. Tara na.
Wait, check mo na to. Pa-check ko na sa'yo para magpasa ko na kayo ni Sally.
Pasa mo na.
Maglalaro ka, Mami?
Parang di na. Nantok na ako.
Ima.
Yung puso ko, titibok-tibok na naman eh. Diyos, pag old na ba ako, take care mo ako. Ha?
Ha?
Take care mo ako pag old na ako.
I think yes.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Totoo.
Sabi ko yes.
Totoo ba yan? O mamaya sasabihin mo na sa akin, Mama, bili ng Gucci bag. Ganun ka ba, Sos? Paluin talaga kita sa Petrus ng 3 times.
It's a bonita.
Di ba, Mira? Bad yun.
Yes. Yes, buying. Also, Karen. Karen's bad because she buy Gucci. And, yeah, si Karen.
Sino si Karen?
Karen is
Hindi
bad.
namin kilala yun.
Karen is bad right now.
No,
She's
it's
bad.
the name.
Yeah, her name is Karen.
Hindi ko nga kilala yun yung paano naman.
Karen is bad. Super, super bad. She hates poor people.
Sino
Yeah.
ba si Karen? Hindi ko nga kilala si
Parang, no,
Karen.
it's the name. Parang woman. Yung nagsusun ng company, nagsabi ng mga worker, nagpa-fire ng mga workers, and tapos, I want to speak to your manager. And tapos,
Saan niyo ba siya
hates
nakilala?
poor people.
She hates poor people right now.
Diyan sa,
And she never helped them. Yeah.
She's so bad.
Yeah, and she
Bad.
And-
very, very bad.
yeah. And she buys Gucci. And she wastes their money.
You always buy Gucci?
Yes, she buys
Oh my
Gucci.
goodness.
And Gucci bag, Gucci shirts, and Gucci hats.
What if Mama want Gucci?
No,
you buy
she
me a
doesn't.
Gucci?
No.
You don't want me to buy a Gucci?
Mommy, we only buy stuff.
Like what?
We need Mommy, can I take my mask?
Mask.
My werewolf mask.
Ah, okay. I forgot.
Right now.
Diba, I told you that you need to ask permission to
Yes,
Daddy.
yes.
Did he say yes ba?
Yes.
Really? How about
Yes.
mine? Did he say yes that she can buy me You can buy me wala ako. Oh my gosh. Anong gagawin ko dito sa corn? Wala naman akong corn. Wala din akong...
Oh wow. I look.
On vacation. Si Mira, on my vacation.
Happy.
Happy,
Mami, mo ko sa mask.
happy.
Kasi yung bouquet na doon, i-wrap yung smoke niya na papapit.
Temedo
Kaya
Marseille.
eh.
Ay, bakit hindi ka naglalit mo ako ng mask?
Oh, wow.
Si Tito Payat, si Mami Bobet, always nang wearing ng mask.
Si Papa, walang ganong awareness. Ewan ko ba dyan sa Papa mo?
Ano yan?
Bukas lang ng bukas ng bintana, ng pinto.
Ma'am.
Sabi nga, wag daw masyado buksan mga bintana at pinto ngayon eh, kasi yung smog eh. Masama nga doon. Yung nagmamas nga yung mga tao eh. Si Papa, walang ganyan yun eh.
Meow, meow,
Hindi
meow,
kasi yan naniniwala sa mga ganyan eh.
Saan?
Ikaw,
Saan?
sa smog, kahit nga pumutok. Kaya nga eh, dapat sinasara yung pintuan eh. Sarado mo konti, wag mo lang kasi ang lakas pa rin ng smog ngayon. Ano ba yun si Papa niya, naniniwala.
I'm gonna go to the bath. Whip.
Hot.
Hey, you, would you
Yum, yum, yum,
No,
yum.
Mom.
Ba yan yung hot ko nasa yung alin.
Hiya.
I love you always forever.
You and I nested together.
Everywhere I'll be with you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Makahoy hot naman to.
No!
I'll forever here and down.
Let's go, adventure.
Let's go the adventure.
I am recording, Mom. Stop.
Oh my god, you already recording this conversation? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I need oh hot yan hot pasainin.
Whoa, this is so...
This is vacation.
Why not guns? Because I have guns.
It's nothing.
Cake,
Why
oh
just
cake.
water?
Hot.
I want to remove this English or Spanish.
No.
Stop it. No English or Spanish now. Yay.
English or Spanish?
English.
First.
Well, it's gay. Baby, you something that you know. Something that can't feel. Always, I'm a fool. You wanna be my friend?
Looks like we found the enemy.
I'm all alone. I'm gonna sleep.
Abba?
Where should I sleep?
A two gun? What you gonna do? It's nothing there.
I need to go back to everyone in their home.
What's
Hello.
there?
Where
A
you
two
went?
gun? A tin?
I'm
That is so
Where you
funny. Yeah. I thought you owned
hello.
because I'm the strongest bit.
Whatever. I'm gonna meet her tomorrow again. That's your home. Oh, that's
Nandun.
my home. Where is it? Oh, there's it. There she is. It's me. Yeah, I already knew that girl. Let's go there. Woo! My friends are there in the party. Hello, friends. Hello. You're so ready. I'm ready. Hello, Sissy.
Where are my ads?
Hello.
Where are my ads? Ayoko na
Ooh,
mag-ads,
yes.
Mommy.
Yeah. Come on.
Ako ba may kasalanan?
Right now, I'm going to the supermarket. This man, she was kissing me right now.
Kiss
She was
me.
dangerous.
Si Mira mabaho pe.
And then I run away and get my things, and then I pay it for it. Then I
Jen.
run away to my home.
Let me tell you. Into your
Yes.
head.
Cotton dyan.
What?
Yeah.
Do, do, do.
When I was at somewhere, but right now here, like on a party right now here, I was sticking around and then saw someone right now, and then she was not moving, so, oh, it's time to go home. I want to go home. Let's go.
Gamot naman itong mga ano to, cotton dyan.
Live next to me.
Ayan, thank you.
Mommy.
Yarn corn.
Yarn corn. Yarn corn. Who said yarn corn? Yarn corn.
Cotton, I need cotton.
Please.
Yes, me. Si Mira ay
Mommy, you know that like yarn cake? That means that girl right now, maybe she needs yarn and she needs cake. She needs cake and yarn.
You're wrong.
So, no, she did said yarn cake. She said she needs yarn and cake.
Wow, really?
Yeah, she said that.
Okay.
She did said yarn cake. She needs
Okay.
cake yarn. Why everybody's outside?
Cake socks.
Hello. Oh, nice to meet you. Who are you? What's your name? I'm Maya. Maya. Hi.
Oh my
And
God.
who's this guy? Oh, that's Rufus. He's my friend. Hi. Ma. Good, look at her hair. Look at that girl's hair. Look at that girl's hair. Look at this girl's hair. Yeah, look at this girl's hair. It got tied up on 2 hairs. She got 2 hairs. How did she do that? I'm gonna watch that video again. I watched it and said how to make it.
Cotton cake.
Yeah, she looks cool.
Yarn.
Done? Okay, you need done. Here, snap.
Cotton cake yarn.
Look. Whole team.
Whole team.
Whole team. Whee!
Whole team.
Buddy, buddy.
To the spikes.
You see? No. Fall to their deaths.
Brass. And
Gosh.
rice and pits.
Socks, cotton, barbecue.
You want to rest, Mom? Act with no noise.
Pika, pika, Pikachu. Pika, 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 Pikachu. Pika, 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 Pikachu.
Log. I need a log. I need a log.
Pika, pa, pika, pika, pa.
Okay.
Lumoto ka.
This bit.
Susu.
This is not good. She's
Ay, puti.
still sleeping. I'll just go here and then I'm just gonna go here and then with my paw. With my paw. Where's my with my paw? This.
What? Oh my, that's good. Oh my, that's poo.
Oh my! That's poo! I hate you!
Mommy only hates me because he hates you.
Yum, yum, yum. Stop kissing me. Stop it. Stop it. I'm licking my paw. I'm leaving you. Bye-bye. Rah, 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 rah. We're free friends. Can we be friends? Iffy? Where are you? I'm gonna go here. What's in this poor dog? Oh, a lot of flowers. I'll sleep here. This is my bed. Lick my paw. Lick my paw.
Meat, cotton.
Right now, I just be a wolf, but
Cotton.
I wear a mask.
Wala.
Mommy wore a mask for me.
Yan.
Mommy, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
No, it's my channel. Mommy. Okay, so guys, like she said that, so let's start. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help. Pause. Please. Swim. Twice it's swim.
Ayan, okay guys.
I'm all alone. Let's just go to my home. Okay, everyone's out there. I'm gonna go.
Hello.
Ano tawag dito? Okay na?
What's that?
Di mali! Kaya kasi nipunin mo yan, alam mo, nagsisimula na yung mga ganyan smag yan. Sarado mo na yan.
I want tissue.
Eh, may tissue dyan si daddy yung maliit.
No.
Di may maliit na
I
tissue.
need to go back home. There's my home. I don't want
Ano itong
my
mga kalaro?
home.
Lock na naman, dami-dami yan.
There's that. That's my thing. Sleep. I'm sleeping. Mom, until I wake at the morning here at this game, I will just get some biscuit. I'll just get some biscuit, like butter coconut. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go. Okay. A few hours later.
Yung masarap eh.
Hindi pa tayo nakakaluto ng palabok mo sa bahay.
Walang may gusto kumain. Depende kasi yun minsan sa luto. Kahit ako minsan, namimili ako. Ayun kasi, hindi lahat ng pagkakataon, ay hindi lahat ng luto na masarap.
Bio, next day.
Sarado mo yung door!
Okay, guys, I'm back. Is it morning yet? Di pa. Oh, it's almost. I'm gonna sleep.
Who's you're talking to?
To my vlogs.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Kaya ko, Mami.
Where's the house?
Ay, naku, sige na kasi kain.
I'm just gonna wait for it morning. Oh, shit, mama.
Put some candle wax in fabric softener and even your neighbors will smell the fragrance. After I learned to do this, I never spent money on air fresheners again. For this tip, place a pot on low heat and add 3
Ay,
candles
putik,
waiting for
mali
them to
nga.
melt.
Oh my gosh.
Once melted,
I'm wrong!
set them aside.
Exit na.
It's good morning.
This melted wax
Good
Ay,
morning,
sarado yung pito!
world. Good
Nakabuka.
morning, world. I'm going home.
B!
Going to my.
Sarado yung pito.
I'm gonna ask my friend.
softener is ideal.
Mommy, I know something's wrong with Riley on Inside Out. When she was like skating with ice. Yeah. I noticed when she was wearing a yellow suit with rainbow scarf. I know she looks like a girl and the skating one is a boy. Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, I saw that the video.
Candle that also repels insects. Light the candle and your home will instantly smell great. Insect-free thanks to the glow of glass softener.
Oh, there's your home.
If you watched this far, tell me what city you're watching from the top of the page.
I'm going my home. That's my friend. Meow. Hello. I want to sleep. Here. I want to sleep. I'm gonna sleep. Or I'm gonna lick my paw. Lick. Lick paw. Lick paw. Lick paw. Lick my paw. Lick my paw. So we're here, guys. It's so fun to be here. So let's go, guys.